Hello everyone, welcome back to Vuun. This tutorial will be for the driver app. So this time we're gonna use the driver app. Okay, so I don't think I need any clarifications regarding the user app. So this time we're gonna concentrate on the driver app. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it. Oh, log out. Okay. Oh, I have to close this app first. Okay. Now we're in there. Yeah. Okay, before that, I need to log into the user for write request. Okay, so I need to log into the user app for a while. I'll be very fast, very quick. So don't worry, it won't take time. Just be patient. Okay, so I'm gonna selection the Road Academy, and Road Academy. I don't like it. I'm gonna change it. Power and Electricity Department. I think that will be the right location for this time. Okay, let's go up to Sercon Community Hall. Okay, so I'm gonna get a map. Okay, I'm waiting for the distance to appear instead of approximate distance. Okay, now it's appearing. I'm gonna search for a cab. Oh, this is a cab, and then I'm gonna make a request, and I'm gonna confirm it. And okay, so everything appear. Click confirm. That's it. Okay, now I'll be logging out, and I'm gonna log into the driver's side. Okay, so I'm gonna log into the demo driver app. Okay, all right. Here's the demo. I mean, like the homepage of the driver. Okay, so view request, update location, change password, and review history. Okay, first of all, okay, we're gonna look at how we can set the things that appear in the main page. Okay, now we're gonna back to the profile. We're gonna get into the profile. You have your peak charge per kilometer. That's 20 set to 20. You can change everything in here. Okay, so you can have your drop charge set to 30. You can set it to 0 or anything. Okay, the waiting charge in minute. That is 5, set to 5 now. So if you wait for 1 minute, then you can charge for 5 rupees, $5 or anything according to your location. Okay, I don't know. I'm not mentioning about the currency in here. Okay, so base charge or minimum charge. When we say the base charge or the minimum charge, that we mean like um, when I'm hired, I mean like any customer use my cab, so that will be the minimum charge, even though the distance is too small to have huge amount. I mean like to calculate the fare, this base charge will be 15. Okay, the base charge will be 15. That will be the minimum charge. Okay, so and here's the phone number. Okay, and now okay, you can click update and then you can have your update, but I'm not gonna update it now, so I'm gonna go back to the home page. All right, okay, make sure that this small icon appear on the screen. Okay, to know that, you click the button. Okay, I'm gonna view the request. Okay, the request that I recently made from the user app. Okay, this is the request. Okay, the customer name is Lolingzawa. Okay, that's me myself anyway, but now I'm acting as the driver. Also, this is the customer number. the phone number, and this is a request ID from and to. Okay, and it's the pick charge. Okay, pickup charge. This one, ₹2 only. Oh, very good. And this will be distance travel, 3.62 kilometer. Okay, this will be the distance of the ride. Okay, and then there can be multiple of the requests in here. Multiple requests in here. There can be 2, 3, 4, 5, or okay. There's so many requests in here. So the driver has to confirm any one of those from the request. Anyone from the request. Okay. So luckily now since this is only for demo purpose only, so we have only one right request. So to confirm it, I'm gonna enter the request ID in here. What's the request ID? 538. What is it again? 538, right? Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Go. Okay. Now I need a direction to the customer. Okay, because I need to approach to that customer, right? So direction to customer. I need to click on it. And here. Okay. A is me, the driver, and B is where the customer is. So I need to approach that customer. So after reaching the destinations, I mean like the not a destination. This is the where the customer is. After reaching the customer's place, uh, I will be focusing on the right. So I need to approach to the destination, right? So direction to destination. Okay. Here is my destination. A is us, me and the customer, and B is where we will be going. Okay, this is our destination. So we're gonna make a right. We're gonna have our journey towards B till B. So when we arrive there, okay, when we reach uh, there, the destination, we're gonna stop the ride. Click stop and wait until calculate is appearing. Okay, I'm gonna click it again. Calculate is appearing. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it again. All right. So now the peak charge is 2, as we have seen before. The drop charge comes to 123. Okay, this drop charge is calculating the drop charge with the distance traveled, and the base charge is also added up in here. Okay, um on the way, maybe in somewhere in Kikon or some places, the customer may want to do something like buying something from the shop or something like that. He lets you wait for some time. Okay, so maybe he or she lets you wait for I don't know why it's scrolling. Maybe he or she lets you wait for why is this happening again and again? Okay, for around 10 minutes. Okay, then you're gonna add that up into your charge. Okay, 10 minutes is comes to 50. Okay, because your charge waiting charge is ₹5 or $5 per minute. So if it is 10, it comes to 50, and that add up into your total charge. Okay, your peak charge is 123, and along with this one 125, and the waiting charge 125 plus 50 is 175 exactly. So when you receive the money in cash or through bank transfer or any kind of means, you can receive your fare. So after receiving the fare, after receiving the cost of the ride, you can close the ride and ride close. Okay, there is no request yet. Okay, there can be another request from the another customer now. So that's it. That's how we are dealing with the right request. And now update your location. This is very, very important because when a customer is seeking for a cab, so he or she needs to look within certain areas nearby him or her. If you're not updating your location well, so you can be in a very odd place. Okay, so that's why you need to update your location. You don't have to type it in here and enter it. No, don't do it. Never ever do it. Okay, just click this, use current location. Okay, then your current location is being set to the current position where you're in, and update it. Okay, you have updated successfully. Then you're okay. This is your new location. Okay, view history. Review history is same as the user. The last 10 tip record have been recorded. Like so you can trace back what did you do in those right. Cannot. I will not elaborate further in the history part. And this change password. The first password that you're using is from the administrative side of Vuun, from the office side. Okay, the administrator from the Vuun side uh, sets your first password, and you can change your password anytime. Okay, this is a regular manner of changing password, so I don't think anybody get lost with this one. Okay, and that's all about the driver app. So if you have any questions, you can any question or questions, you can reach us here 70056566973. We're here. I'm here, willing to help you anytime in any circumstances, in any issue regarding Vuun. Okay, and you can write your email to us in nrahop@gmail.com. Okay, or if you're in Lunglei, you can come and visit us in Electric Bank, Lunglei, Mizoram, India. Okay, anytime we're open. Okay, 24/7. We're ready to help you. Okay, and that's all about the driver app. Okay, thank you for watching. We're gonna upload this video in I mean like this video on YouTube. So if you have any questions or any comments, you can leave a comments. You can leave your comments in the comment box. Okay, we can have a good discussion in there. Okay, and thanks for watching once again, and see you next time. Thank you.